With this, if Karnataka government or Congress party in Karnataka, if they allow to have an election in 2028 assembly election, 100% it's not going to be that easy for Congress party. Like what they have done in West Bengal, winning 200 seats, and nobody is in the position to hear. Even if you go to court also, they have gone to the court. Court has constituted some tribunals, appointed some district judges, but nobody could do anything. They are not in the position to bring everybody back to the voters list. Out of 92 lakh voters which they were kept pending, after scrutiny, only 450 applications were cleared. That's all. That's what is going to happen even today. That is the reason, Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah, has taken a decision in consultation with other political parties, other organizations like SDPI, Raita Sangha and all. He has made a statement that he is going to bring an ordinance in Karnataka. That ordinance, is pertaining to Karnataka government SIR. We don't oppose SIR, but we will not accept SIR given by Election Commission of India. And what they say, in case if you go and approach district administration or Election Commission, they will say, no, they are all kept pending. They can file their objections. And whatever we ask, if they submit their records, their name will be automatically included. To your surprise, to your dismay, the type of records which they are asking is, suppose in case my vote, if your vote is not mapped. Mapping means your vote, where actually you voted in 2002, that voters list, whatever the name you have, your name in 2002 voters list, if it is there as M. Nagaraju, in 2025 voters list, the same name should repeat, M. Nagaraju. Suppose here in 2025, if your name appears as M. Nagaraj, not Nagaraju, Nagaraj, then it doesn't map.